What's poppin' YouTube? This is King Savage 21 here back with another video, and it's a gaming video today, and I'm playing some Fortnite for you guys. And I actually just got this really good what's it called, recording thing on my computer, which I really like, and I just got it today, and this is my very first video on my computer. So I'm very happy because I've always wanted to do videos on videos on a computer like what other people do. Oh. Yes! Oh my gosh. Hey, I finally got to kill someone though. That's my very second kill in this game. I can't believe that. This is actually very big for me because I've never gotten a kill on my PC. I've only gotten it on like my friend's Xbox. And I've actually learned tips on how to do it on this. Battle Pass challenges. Play matches with at least one. Yeah, I freaking killed someone. Wait. What? It says with at least one, and it says to freaking do 10. Play matches. Okay. So I got a kill. Does that even do anything? Because that's my very. Oh no, it actually doesn't. Because you have to get on you have to get it on Victory Royale. So I thought I would get something because I killed someone. Okay. Hey, at least I got my very first kill. That's what's good, because that's my very second kill in this game. Yeah, as I said, I'm not so good, but after seeing that, the second time in my life actually killing someone, I am so happy that happened to me. But then I died after that, so that's pretty much just karma. And also, guys, comment down below which game do you guys want to see me do next? Because I could do lots of games now since I have this recording thing, and it's a lot better now. I like doing it on my computer. Okay. I can't believe on my very first video on my computer, I actually got a kill. That's what's crazy. When he threw that big boogie bomb, I thought it was actually an actual bomb, so I got scared, and then I realized it was a boogie bomb, so I went up to him, and then when we were dancing, I just kept hitting him with my axe, whatever it's called. You can actually kill someone pretty fast with that. Okay, where should I land? Okay, and hopefully I actually get another kill. Okay, trying to find a place to land. Is that a good place? No, there's someone all the way already over there, so yeah, that's a pretty bad idea. I'll go to that cabin for that cabin over there. I'll go to there for a minute and see what it has in there. And I just wish when you double tap W or the arrow, it will go faster. And at first, when I started playing Fortnite, I had troubles playing it because my arrows are like about right here, so it's hard to press the space button and having to do my mouse that at the same time because I only have two hands. And so when I did WASD, my thumb was at the space button and my other fingers were also at QE 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, and F6. So the way that I found that out is that because I realized that some games they actually do that. So I thought it would do it up there. Oh, nice chest. Oh yeah. Oh no! So no, don't you dare kill me. Don't who tried to kill me? Did I actually try to get killed? Or did I kill myself? Just let me get some bandages on. I don't want to be sniping some boys. Yep, I was being shooted. Where are they coming from? Oh, dang it, I was about to get that person, whoever it was. Hey, good job. All the people who kill me are, that's 1% chance of me having a rage meltdown. But hey, I was close to killing him, and that's fine with me. And Sniper Shootout V3 is my favorite one so far in this game since the update. And yeah, also one more thing is that on my time limit I only have 15 seconds. Not 15 seconds, 15 minutes. So I have like negative second, well, 0 seconds to exactly 15 minutes. And if I can't go any higher than that, not even by 1 millisecond, which is actually pretty impossible unless you have 5. I always like to try to practice on some people in this game, and this I like how we do it in the beginning because it always gives you practice. And I like how it does that too. I just wish my camera didn't do that, but I think there's a setting for that. Headshot, go on, headshot. Boy, yeah. Okay, map. I always like to go to the map first. Okay, there we go. What's that? I've not been that way. Oh, yeah, I have. I'll go over here. How are you guys doing today? I'm pretty good. My very first video on my computer playing Fortnite that lots of YouTubers do. And I've always wanted to do it, and my dream finally came true, so I'm happy. Not physically, but mentally. Oh, I swear if someone's in here, I'm gonna be so mad. Yes, there's a chest. Please, yes, something. Gosh. When I first started playing Fortnite, I always thought that you had to break the chest to do it, not to actually open it. Okay, so I think this will be my last round until I end it, but I want to be doing 2 videos today for you guys, so I don't have to what's it called? So okay, squad. We should do duos. Let's do duos. Okay. At the party. Oh, come on, you don't grab it. Okay, come on, ready. There we go. Okay. And so I'm doing 2 videos today, and they're still with Fortnite. So look. What? This is a camera. I know how to make videos now. Okay, so this will be my last one for today. Well, not for today, for this video, but I'm doing 2 videos today for you guys. And I'm really, really happy. hopefully I can still upload it though. Yep, I knew that. Okay, so hopefully this round I can either get a victory royale. I've gotten a victory royale before, but it was on a 50v50. And the 50v50 was actually a lot easier because half of the players on there was my team and half of the players was it. So you have a more chance of not dying. Come on, 6 more people just freaking join. Okay, it's launching in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. There we go. Now, my favorite place to go is into where that little flag or thing is at, because that's the place where I usually get a jetpack, bush, or any other like golden scar and really other rare stuff. Okay, that should be good. Just imagine you had to press space, or like, yeah, you didn't have a time limit to actually it's like so see what I just did. If we didn't have that and people could just die automatically if they just fell, yeah, that I would like it like that. Come on, don't let me die already. And who cares? So yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm just so happy that I'm finally doing this on my laptop computer. So yeah, guys, thank you for joining. Thanks for all the support that you've gotten me to 50 subscribers. Thank you, all of you. This is my 50 subscriber special that I was going to do for you guys, but I forgot to say it at the beginning, and I just reminded myself for some way. And so, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.